Hey guys, Albert Lagerman here. Here I have my collection of working laptops, working enough to boot up and load their operating system. So without further ado, let's go. Okay, the ThinkPad is already loading Windows XP. Next we have the MacBook and the gateway, and we have the iBook loading up as well. And it was close between the MacBook and the ThinkPad. The MacBook came in like 2 seconds before the ThinkPad. Next we have the iBook, and finally we have the okay, now we're ready for the login race. So let's go. Okay, and the well, Windows 7 is last. MacBook XP, ThinkPad wins, and MacBook is in second. This came in at about the same time as the MacBook, or about the same time as the ThinkPad. This is like an awful computer. Sorry all you iBook fans. So as you can see, ThinkPad is probably the fastest behind the MacBook. So yeah, I'll be making another video about more in depth about these computers.